Learn data analytics with AWS in 3 months and start a great career with an average pay of 120K. According to the World Economic Forum, data analytics is the top trending career in 2025 and listed over 160K active jobs in Canada. But why data analysis career is so trending these days? It is because every industry needs a data analyst for data visualizations, reporting, and predictions. With our instructor led 3 months training, you will gain the experience on working with AWS, EC2 setup, data modeling, data cataloging with AWS Glue, DB setup using RDS and Redshift, data visualization with QuickSight, and generate real time data analytics dashboard reports using AI. From this month, join and learn real time projects with hands on practice every week and get job placement assistance for remote or hybrid roles. Are you ready to make a successful career in data analysis? Call today or visit iofit.ca for more details.